Did you know that your diet can affect your anxiety? We need a lot of nutrients in the body to support all the systems, and some of that does affect your mind and your body in the way that it supports anxiety or doesn't support anxiety. We need B vitamins for mood and calm and energy production. For example, we need healthy fats for the brain and the brain signaling. So it's really important to have a nutrient dense diet. But there's other things that can be really disruptive. So I'll go through those. So first of all, blood sugar balance. This is a classic sort of thing that we talk about in nutrition. And what we're talking about with blood sugar balance is that roller coaster of having something to eat that might spike your blood sugar and then spikes it so much that then you get a bit of a crash, and then you'll get hungry or irritable or tired, and then you'll need something again to get it up and then down again. So that's when we might find, you might see that if you're eating a lot of refined foods, processed foods, sugary foods. So to keep it nice and even, your blood sugars, we need to have substantial meals that contain plenty of protein, healthy fats and fibre to keep your energy levels nice and stable. So blood sugar balance, start there. So making sure you've got nourishing meals. Don't try and cut back or restrict and try and eat small amounts. Just eat what you can eat in terms of portions, but make sure you're including those whole foods, proteins, fats and fibres. The other thing is to do with hydration. I've already done another little video on hydration, how important it is in anxiety. So it's really important to be hydrated. You can go over the top, and it's possible to drink too much water. But if it resonates with you that you're not drinking enough, then that's something to start with. Also thinking about your stimulants. So if you're having lots of tea or coffee or Coke drinks that have got caffeine in, that can be hugely disruptive to your nervous system. It might later on affect your sleep, and you might think, oh, it hasn't done because I had that hours ago, but actually it can make you wake up in the night and wake earlier. So do think about that. Also bear in mind that decaf drinks do still contain some caffeine. So if you're saying it's okay, so I have decaf tea, it can just accumulate. Alcohol can be really disruptive to the mood. It prevents us from producing our own natural GABA, which is a neurotransmitter that keeps us calm and helps us stay asleep. So be mindful of alcohol, just having it moderately. And so those are sort of the main diet things. So making sure you have a nutrient-based diet, keep blood sugar levels nice and even. Don't go long periods without eating, and then have sugary foods to sort of make it go up and down. So keeping it nice and balanced, space out your meals at sort of 3 or 4 hours apart, and stay hydrated.